Muchundi was built in the 13th century and is the oldest mosque in Kozhikode city. The mosque has an interesting history which showcases the spirit of communal harmony that prevailed during that time. It is said that the erstwhile rulers, the Zamorins, patronized Islam and the king donated the property for building the mosque. The mosque was established by Shihab Uddin Rehan, a freed slave of a person called Masood in the 13th century AD. Historians tentatively assume that Muchian was the old Malayalam name given to Shihab Uddin Rehan by the Hindus. The current mosque structure is built in Kerala architectural style without minarets, domes, or arches. The roof of the mosque contains elaborate calligraphy of the Quranic verses, decorated with carved flowers on the side. It is reasonable to assume that the foundations must have supported one of the oldest mosques in Kozhikode. The entire structure stands on a 1.5 meter high plinth. The double tiered roof with a decorated gable, the ceiling with floral wood, the pillars with intricate engraving, and the wooden carvings of animal are all reminiscent of temple architecture and speak volumes about the Hindu influence in mosque architecture. When we analyze the plan of Muchundi Mosque, there are certain specific architectural peculiarities for this plan. One of the things is that it is projected towards the outside of the main structure, and this has been because of the renovation which have happened during the recent years. And also, when we analyze the plan, on the northern side we could see the presence of so many columns, and this is not a natural aspect for a mosque, but for this it is because of the presence of very heavy roofing structures which have been laid during the 13th and 14th century, and this is mainly because of the introduction of native Kerala architecture into the Islamic architectural style.